Ready to see what everyone's raving about? These viral Amazon gadgets are taking over for a reason. They simplify, entertain, and totally upgrade your daily routine. From clever home finds to surprisingly useful tech, there's something here you didn't know you needed. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance with this wearable waist fan. It wraps around your waist and blasts cool air all around your body, like having your own personal breeze wherever you go. The powerful motor delivers full-body airflow that instantly cuts through sweat and heat. It's ultralight, whisper quiet, and built to stay put while you move. Recharge it once and enjoy hours of hands-free cooling comfort. Step into the spotlight, literally. These light-up sneakers turn every move into a show with 7 vibrant colors and 4 flashing modes to match your mood. You can switch colors easily with a hidden button on the heel loop, lighting up your steps wherever you go. A quick USB charge gives you up to 8 hours of glowing fun. Made from breathable fiber optic fabric with a comfy cotton lining, they keep your feet cool, dry, and ready to dance all night. Filming yourself just got a whole lot easier. This smart tripod follows your every move automatically, no app, no setup, just switch it on and go. It tracks your face or body in real time, smoothly rotating 360 degrees so you stay perfectly in frame. You can even control it with simple hand gestures or the included remote. Rechargeable, portable, and ready for anything your personal cameraman just got pocket-sized. Who says powerful tech can't fit on your finger? This smart ring keeps you connected to your health in the most convenient way possible. Check your heart rate, steps, sleep, and even stress levels. No phone needed. With over 100 sport modes, it tracks everything from running to swimming while staying fully waterproof. Lightweight, stylish, and subscription-free, it's your all-day wellness coach packed into one tiny ring. Who says a lamp can't be fun? This mini cordless table lamp brings light and creativity together in one sleek design. Its flexible magnetic filament bends into playful shapes, letting you change the mood with a simple shake. Soft, eye-friendly light makes it perfect for your bedroom, desk, or bedside table. Recharge it once and enjoy days of warm, modern glow anywhere you need a touch of ambiance. Falling asleep has never been this effortless. These ultra-comfy sleep earbuds are made for side sleepers, blocking snores and distractions, so you drift off faster and stay asleep longer. They stream calming sounds or your favorite tracks for up to 10 hours straight. Smart sensors detect when you've fallen asleep and switch to gentle noise, masking automatically. Soft, tiny, and weightless. You'll forget they're even there. Bath time just got a serious upgrade. This lightweight pet dryer packs powerful airflow into a sleek, handheld design that makes grooming faster and easier anywhere home or travel. With adjustable heat settings and multiple nozzles, you can dry any coat type quickly without overheating your furry friend. It's quiet, ergonomic, and built for comfort, keeping pets calm while you handle the mess in record time. Here's a ceiling fan that's way smarter than it looks. This sleek 3-blade design runs whisper quiet while giving you complete control through your phone or voice assistant. Adjust speed, lighting, warmth, or even set breeze modes, all without lifting more than a finger. Whether it's your bedroom or patio, this fan keeps the air moving, the energy bill low, and your space effortlessly modern. If you love being prepared for anything, this multi-tool is your new sidekick. It packs a pry bar, ratchet screwdriver, wrenches, and even a pen that never runs out of ink ball in one sleek, pocket-sized design. Whether you're fixing, opening, or tinkering outdoors, this compact gadget keeps you ready for action wherever life takes you. Tired of fishing around in pickle jars and getting your hands messy? This clever pickle grabber makes it effortless. Just clip it onto any jar and use the stainless steel fork to grab your pickles, olives, or veggies without the mess. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and surprisingly handy for picnics, charcuterie boards, or kitchen. Use a small tool that makes a big difference. Meet the spatula that refuses to leave a single scoop behind. This clever little kitchen buddy slides right into jars to scrape every bit of peanut butter, jam, or sauce you thought was gone. Its flexible silicone design makes spreading smooth and easy, whether you're prepping breakfast or dessert. It's heat-resistant, food-safe, and super simple to clean. A fun, cheerful tool that turns snack time into playtime. Imagine a vacuum that thinks for itself. This smart robot doesn't just clean it, refills, drains, washes, and even dries its own mop. With 12,000 pascal of suction, it devours dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Its sensors spot messes and automatically remops the dirtiest areas, leaving floors spotless. You just sit back while it handles everything, even voice commands from your phone or smart home assistant. Ever wish your home could sense your every move? This smart motion sensor does exactly that. It detects movement instantly and can trigger lights, alarms, or other devices automatically. With adjustable sensitivity and a wide 170-degree view, it only reacts when you need it to. The best part? Its battery lasts up to 5 years, keeping your smart home running smoothly without constant maintenance. Here's a gadget that gives your ears a spa day. This electric ear cleaner gently flushes out wax and debris with adjustable water pressures. You can choose between a soft rinse or a deeper clean. The LED display keeps you in control, showing battery life and settings clearly. With its dual tank design, it even drains waste automatically. Safe, simple, and surprisingly satisfying to use right at home. This isn't just a camping light, it's a lighting transformer. It telescopes, rotates, and even sticks magnetically to metal surfaces so you can light up any angle, anywhere. With 3 brightness modes and warm or cool tones, you get the perfect glow for every situation. The massive 12,000 mAh battery lasts for hours, and its waterproof build handles any storm. Compact, rugged, and ready for every adventure. Maximize your workout in minimal time. This rowing machine engages over 86% of your muscles in just 20 minutes, building strength without stressing your joints. Pair it with a membership for guided workouts, personalized plans, and encouragement from top instructors, all from home. Its smart system suggests workouts based on your goals, keeping every session on track. With smooth, water-like resistance, a cushioned seat, adjustable straps, and a crisp 22-inch HD display, every row feels immersive and motivating. Turn your phone photos into instant keepsakes. This pocket-sized printer connects wirelessly to your phone and prints your favorite shots in seconds, no ink required. Each print comes with a peel and stick back, so you can decorate notebooks, walls, or gifts with your memories. The colors pop with crisp detail, and the whole process feels like magic. Small, stylish, and ready to print wherever you are. This one looks like something straight out of the future. The 3D Hologram Fan projects floating visuals that look like they're suspended in midair, perfect for parties, displays, or even just showing off at home. It connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you can swap out videos right from your phone. With over 1,000 included visuals, it's pure digital magic spinning right in front of you. If grooming day feels like a battle against flying fur, this gadget changes everything. It trims and vacuums at the same time, sucking up 99% of loose hair before it ever hits the floor. The whisper quiet motor keeps pets calm, while the ceramic blades glide smoothly through any coat. It's easy to use, gentle on pets, and keeps your home spotless after every grooming session. Imagine a pet that never sheds, never sleeps, and actually talks back. Meet your new AI-powered companion. This robotic dog recognizes faces, follows gestures, and even holds real conversations with you in real time. It can play, patrol your home, and recharge itself automatically. Whether you're home or away, this smart little friend keeps life fun, interactive, and surprisingly heartwarming. Riding a unicycle just got a whole lot easier. This electric unicycle features a unique dual tire design that balances sideways, so beginners can get the hang of it in just minutes. Its smart self-balancing system keeps both front and back steady, making every ride safe and worry-free. The oversized inflatable tires handle bumps smoothly, giving you a comfortable ride every time. Compact and family-friendly, it's easy to carry and perfect for adventures with kids or friends. Even taking out the trash can feels futuristic. This motion sensor trash can opens automatically when you wave your hand, keeping things clean and totally touch-free. It shuts softly and quietly, so no more lid slams echoing through the kitchen. Need it to stay open while you're cooking? Just tap a button. Sleek stainless steel design, big capacity, and pure convenience all in one smart bin. Bring charm and function to your couch with this crochet cat sofa arm organizer. Handmade with a playful dog design, it's as cute as it is practical. 2 roomy pockets and a built-in mug holder keep remotes, snacks, and drinks close at hand. Soft yet durable, it can handle daily use without losing shape. Easy to slip over most sofas and chairs, it stays put while adding a cozy, organized touch. Who said cooking can't be fun? Meet the crab that helps you strain pasta without the mess. This clever clip-on strainer grips your pot firmly, letting you drain water safely and easily, no bulky colanders needed. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and fits most pans like a pro. When you're done, it folds away neatly. Cute, practical, and guaranteed to make kitchen time way more entertaining. Tired of stumbling around in the dark? These motion sensor nightlights automatically switch on when you walk by, lighting your path with a soft, adjustable glow. You can dim them from a gentle night shimmer to full brightness depending on your needs. They turn off on their own when you leave, saving energy effortlessly. Compact and sleek, they blend into any room, perfect for hallways, bedrooms, or late-night kitchen trips. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.